Okay, according to their properties. Okay. According to the properties of the materials, we want to choose and choose a material to. We want to choose a material to make an object. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Similarities and differences of their properties.
Okay. Okay. So next one. Let me see this one. Another properties. Okay. Today we can see the different properties of each material. Say you are making lemon juice at your home. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are
ma'am.
making lemon juice at your home, right? Okay, so we will take some lemon juice and we'll add salt or sugar in it. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. After, if you are stirring, if you are not stirring, then also the salt or sugar that will be mixed with the lemon juice and water. Am I right? Am I
Yes,
right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So salt, we can make lemon juice by using salt or sugar, because salt or sugar, yeah, mixes with the water. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
It completely
ma'am.
disappears into the water. It
Ma'am,
completely disappears into the water.
Water.
Okay. So,
Water.
but if we are using some chalk dust or rice powder in the water, will it mix well?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, it will not mix well, right? It will not mix well. Okay. So somebody's audio is not muted. Please mute it. Echoes will produce otherwise. Okay. So this one substances. Some substances, when we mix with water, it will disappear into the water, right? But some substances which will not disappear into the water, it will not disappear into the water. Okay, who knows the example for substances which will not disappear? But let me see. Okay, let me see some students. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, I will give chance to Malavika. Malavika, tell me.
Ma'am, sand.
Okay, sand. Okay, very good. It is the sand. Sand will not get dissolved, disappear into the water. Mute your audio first. Okay, so some substances disappear. Some substances completely disappear or dissolve in water. We can say those substances as soluble in water. Those substances are soluble in water. Okay, so we can group the materials on the basis of their solubility. We can group the object based on their solubility in water. Solubility in water.
Water.
Okay, some substances dissolve completely or disappear in water. We can call them as soluble substances. For example, salt, sugar, these all things. Solids which are dissolving in water. Salt and sugar. Examples, right? Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some substances do not mix with water and do not disappear after we are stirring it also. After we stir it also. Am I right? So we can call them as insoluble substances. Insoluble substances. No need to read the textbook now. Just listen to the poem. Today we are learning about substances which are soluble in water and substances which are not soluble in water. First, soluble in water. Substances which are soluble in water. Okay, definition is the substances which disappear, which will disappear or dissolved in water. The substances which disappeared or dissolved in water are called soluble substances. Example, salt, sugar. Okay. Insoluble. Insoluble means substances do not mix with water and do not disappear. Substances do not mix with water and do not disappear. Example, rice flour, sand, rice flour, or you can take sawdust, wood powder from the wood, sawdust, SAW, sawdust. Okay, so these things you can, these are the things which are insoluble. Got it? Clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. See, here one thing is there. The substances which all I discussed, they are of solid state. Am I right? They are of solid state.
Sorry.
Got it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Another thing. Is there any liquid mixing with water? Do you know any liquid mixing with water? Raise your hand.
Oil.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Those who want to answer, we raise it. Who all? Ananda Krishnan. Okay. All others mute it. Ananda Krishnan. Tell me.
Ma'am, oil.
Oil, is it mixes with water?
No, it does.
It does not mix. It is
Mixes.
insoluble. I am
Insoluble.
asking about some liquid. I am asking about some liquids which are soluble in water. Ananda Krishnan, just think it. What may be soluble liquid in water? Soluble liquids in water.
Ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute. Did you drink milk today? Did you drink milk today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So
Milk.
milk is an example. It is soluble in water. So can you tell me some more examples of liquids that are mixing with water?
Ma'am, paint.
Ma'am, juice.
Paint.
Let me ask. I gave permission only to Ananda Krishnan.
Ma'am, ink.
Okay, ink. Okay, I gave permission only to Ananda Krishnan. Sri Rudra, mute your audio. Okay, Ananda Krishnan, milk, ink, any other?
Paint, etc.
Is that paint mixes with water? Some paints only, right? Some
Yes, ma'am.
paint. So we can't say that. Another one, another thing, Ananda Krishnan.
Ma'am.
Do you like juices?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Juice. This also.
Juices, lime juice. Okay, so these are all are mixes with the liquid. These all mixes with the liquid. Understood? Okay, so there are some liquids which are dissolved in water. Got it? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Soluble liquids are there. So tell me, is there any insoluble liquids?
Yes, ma'am.
Soluble.
ma'am.
Raise your hand.
Yes,
raise
ma'am.
your hand. Don't unmute. Raise your hand. Okay. I can see the same. Atul. Tell me, Atul.
Ma'am, oil,
Oil.
petrol,
Petrol.
and then some kind of paint,
Kerosene. Yeah.
diesel.
So, okay. These all things. Ghee. Okay, these all
Yes, ma'am.
things are insoluble in water. So here we can see some solids which are soluble in water, some solids which are insoluble in water. Okay, in the same way, some liquids which are soluble in water and some liquids which are insoluble in water. Okay, So next we can go to gas. Okay, is there any gas soluble in water? Raise your hand. Raise those. Know the answer, please raise. Is there any gas soluble in water? Ayush, Tej and Francis, switch on the video. Okay, Francis, tell me, which is the
Ma'am,
gas?
oxygen. Oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay. Where we can see that oxygen mixes with water? What is the use of it? Tell me.
Ma'am, the oxygen gives the oxygen
Mixed
preventing
oxygen which is dissolved in water. That oxygen is used by aquatic plants and animals. Am I right?
yes,
The
ma'am.
oxygen which is dissolved. The oxygen which is dissolved in water, that oxygen is used by aquatic plants and animals. Am I right?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
right? Okay, okay. Okay, so next one. So, and some all gases are not dissolved in water. Some gases like carbon dioxide, we can make soda water. Soda, you are using soda, right? Yeah. In that carbon dioxide is the gas which is dissolved in the water. By using high pressure, carbon dioxide can dissolve in water. Some conditions are there, right? So, some gases also dissolve in water. Got it? Okay. So, today we learned about soluble and insoluble substances. Today we learned about soluble and
Insoluble substances.
okay. Soluble substances means those substances which can completely disappear or dissolve in water. And insoluble means which substances do not mix with water and do not disappear. So some solids are there. Solid materials are there, liquid materials are there, and also gas also. Okay, so the three states of matter which are soluble and which are not soluble. We had discussed it. Is it clear to you, dear students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here one question is there. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body. Say it is advised you to take lots of drink lots of water, right? Okay. If you are drinking lots of water, so many body functions can be of regularly. So why it is told? Water plays an important role in functioning of our body. Why? Why? Think about it. Who know the answer, just raise it. Did you understand the question?
No,
Did you
ma'am.
understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will repeat once again. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body. Why? Why water plays an important role in the functioning of our body?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Ma'am.
Who it is?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Can I
yes.
say?
Okay, who wants to say the answer? Tell me the name. I can't.
Pyramid.
Okay, Smriti, tell me. Okay, Smriti, tell me. Tell me.
Ma'am, because ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sure. I can hear.
Ma'am, because all three states of matter are soluble in water.
Okay. See, one point is there because water can dissolve a large number of substances. Water can dissolve a large number of substances. Huh? See, water is can dissolve in urine, right? Water can dissolve in blood. For the digestion, we need water. For the excretion, we need water. For the circulation of blood, there also we need water. This water is a common solvent. Almost all the things are dissolving in water. What the point? Almost all things are dissolved in water. So that we can say that water plays an important role in the functioning of our body. Okay, for the excretion, for the digestion, for the circulation, this water plays an important role. You know, if we are not drinking water properly, it is very difficult for you to remove the waste from your body. You may feel very pain during urination, and also when the solid waste goes out of our body, then also we will feel it very difficult. Okay, so these things are there for the soluble and insoluble. Okay, and now another thing, we can group objects according to how they are, whether they are floating or sink in water, whether they float or sink in water. Is that all objects will sink into water?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Some sub-objects only which are lightweight. Some objects which are lightweight, they can only float on the water. Okay. So here also we can group the objects into two. Here also we can group the objects into two, which are floating on water and objects which are sinking in water. Okay, so everybody muted. Let me ask you, Nihal Mustafa. Nihal, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me an example of object which will sink in water. Sink in water. Ma'am. 1 minute, Francis, wait. I am giving Abhinav Sarjan. Yes. Stone. Yeah, very good. Stone, Nihal. You are not listening. That is why I asked question. See, stones will sink in water. And another one. Anybody, please raise your hand.
Can I say?
Yes, Amita. Amita,
Ma'am,
tell me.
plastic bottles.
Sorry?
Plastic bottles.
Plastic bottles, will it sink? Will it sink?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
I am asking about the objects which will sink in water.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Ananya, tell me.
Ma'am, wood.
Wood will sink? No.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Brisa. Yes, Brisa. Yes.
Ma'am, cotton.
See, listen the question properly.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Water. Sink means which will go into the water.
Ma'am, can I say?
Stone. Okay, tell me. Okay, who is saying that? Yes. Okay, tell me, Sarika. Tell me.
Ma'am, sinking in the water?
Yes, going into water.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No. Okay, Ameya.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ameya.
Ma'am, can I say? Heavy.
Sorry?
Heavy things.
Heavy things. Okay, give the example for heavy things.
Ma'am, steel bottle.
Sorry?
Ma'am, steel bottle.
Steel bottle. Steel bottle, no. If water is not there.
Ma'am, rope.
Rock. Okay, that is there. It is told. See, I will tell. Everybody mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. So some keys made out of metal. So metals, stones, these all things can sink in water. But substances like feather, then dried leaf, feather, dry leaves, cotton. These all will float on the water. Cotton, once it is wet, once when it becomes wet, it will sink. But first it will float on the water. Plastics, plastics. Yes, Ameya, tell me. Yes. Yes, tell me. Ameya.
Ma'am, not Ameya, Ashish it was.
See, your voice is not clear. So let
Ma'am,
me.
it was Ashish, not me.
Everybody, if they are talking together, I won't be able to hear it.
Ma'am, I was not asking. It was Ashish who was talking.
Okay, then mute your audio.
Ma'am,
Ashish, tell me.
ma'am, sponge also will sing like cotton.
No, float.
When
float,
it get
sponge.
sponge
No, no.
will when it get weight.
If it is at first, when it is we are keeping it on the water, it will float. Okay. Francis, mute your audio. So, in the sponge, as there are small holes, when the water gets into it, it will sink. Okay, so read the textbook regarding these all concepts properly. Next class, I will ask questions. Okay, now it is time to wind up my session. Okay,
Thank you,
thank you,
ma'am.
dear
Thank
students.
you, ma'am.